Welcome to the Parade of Tubes fashion show. Our judges are just getting ready. Our first contestant is looking rather suave in that scarf. The judges are analyzing him. Oh no, that scarf just doesn't seem to scan. The judges are not impressed. I think they're going to reject this one. Elegant, off-the-shoulders number impress our judges? No, once again the scanner just doesn't like it. The judges are going to reject this crooked comer. Here's a casual number. Just got out of bed look going on. Maybe comfortable, but I don't think it's going to impress our judges. Sure enough, it's another rejection. What's this? It's hammer time! Those lowrider pants are back in fashion. Our judges are thinking about it. Well, the scanner works. Now they're asking the tube to get in the machine. Uh-oh, the label's in the way. The tube's stuck! The judges are not impressed. There'll be another rejection, I hear. Up next is this stylish turtleneck number. Oh, it's not going to get stuck on the machine this time. What's this? The scanner just doesn't go that high. The judges don't recognize the tube, so it's going to be another rejection. Oh, I don't think the judges are going to like this one. Oh, may get some points for creativity, but who comes to a party dressed in just a hat? No, I guess the judges just don't like hats. What's this? There seems to be a bit of commotion going on, folks. Those with a weak heart better look away now. Seems we've got some streakers on the loose. You can't tell one from another when they don't have their labels on. The judges are really upset with this one. Well, this is unexpected. I don't think the judges are in the mood for twins, though. Another rejection. And now our final contestant. It's on straight. It's not too high, not too low. Just like the finest hospital gowns, it's got a little bit of exposure going on. The judges are even really impressed with that signature too. Yes, I think we've got a winner, folks. And so this concludes the Parade of Tubes fashion show.